Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Alize, and in today's video we're going to be testing out some slimes, store-bought slimes. So before we get on with the video, don't forget, if you're new here and you haven't already subscribed, go down below and subscribe. Also click the bell next to the subscribe button if you haven't. And at the end of this video, if you've enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let's get on with the video. So, like I said, we're testing slimes. So I have a few slimes in this green container. So I'm just going to pick random ones out. So this is the first one, and it's like a little foam slime. So it's like this. It's good to poke, but when you like take it out, it kind of gets all over your hands. And also, guys, I forgot to mention, also I rate them. It's not that stretchy. I mean, it's actually really nice to poke though. Like, I can see it gets all over your hands. So I'm just gonna try and get this all off now. Have a little washing thing, tiny thing over here. Wait, just like. I do not like that. It's just not good. Ew. It literally sucks. Okay, let's just get on with the next slime. Hopefully the other slime will take it off. If I get a good slime. So, now I'm going to put... Oh wait, I need to take that out. Otherwise I might get it again. You put my second slime. Okay, I got... Oh, I actually like slime. So, oh yeah, I rate the foam slime about 4.5 out of 10. So this is a really good slime. So, oops, that was not meant to happen. I ripped it. It's like really stretchy and like good to squeeze. Let's say it's a good to poke. It actually is quite good. It's just it's quite slippery because I added shampoo. But other than that, it's really good to swirl, as you can see. So I will rate that slime. Also, it's glow in the dark, so we'll test them at the end to see if it does actually glow. So I'll rate that a 8. Oh, I meant to do it with my eyes closed. Next slime. Oh, another one of these container slimes. So, this is a slime smoothie. So it has some foam beads in it, but not too much. It's actually quite nice. It's really glossy, as you can see here. So it's like a really nice colour, just showing you on my hand. It's like an oceany blue. So I'll rate that a 7.5 because it's kind of slippery and rubbery. So next slime. Where's all the slimes? There. Oh, I got another glow in the dark one, but it's pastel-y purple. Oh, this is real stretchy. Until that happened. It's quite nice. It's like good to squeeze and like stretch across. And really good to poke. Listen. So I'll rate that at 8. Now, next slime. Oh, this is my favourite slime. It's the blue slime. It's the best to poke, honestly. Look. So great. Just look. And it's the best at doing slime swirls. We just need to get it swirled up. You gotta stretch it kind of slow, or it will just snap. So just like mainly focusing on the slime. You just gotta keep doing this as well, guys. Just saying if you wanna do slimes. I just kind of cheat a little bit and go like this. Not on all slime sauce, but with the slime, and then just make a slime sauce. That's what it looks like. It's kind of good. So I rate that at 8.5. Now there's only one more slime left, and it's this blue one, and it's really pretty colour. It's super stretchy. It's nice and thick. It feels like glue because this is homemade one. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this is the only homemade. So I'm going to give that an 8.5 because it's really nice. So I have quite a few slimes. Oh yeah, and I have one putty. Cool. This is the last slime or putty. Well, this is the only putty, but the last one that we're testing. If I can open it, if not, we might not do this one. Oh my god, this is like actual stuff. I will use this on this phone. It's not working. So sorry guys, but this container is where I store all my slimes. It goes up in my shelf. That's all for the slime testing. So that's all for the slime testing, but it's not all for this video. Just put that away. So now I'm gonna do shout outs. So first shout out goes to, drumroll, my friend at school. Her name is Lily Kanai. Shout out to Lily Kanai if you're watching this. Shout out to your girlfriend. Next shout out goes to, drumroll, Lily Kanai is my cousin. My next shout out goes to Violet, my other cousin. She is my other cousin. Shout out to you if you're watching this as well. Hi if you're also watching this. Last one goes to Savannah. She's my other cousin. I just did cousins on this one. And if you want to shout out, comment down below, shout out, and go on my Instagram, which will be in the description box down below. And comment on one of my posts, my recentest post. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you guys have enjoyed, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Smash that like button. Also, subscribe to know your bell notification. And in the next video, I'm going to be doing my room tour. It's going to be exciting. But until then, peace out. Love you guys. Bye. Remember, subscribe.